You don't know me yet.
Start making a circle, make everybody could fit. Alright folks, if I can have your attention. There's places to sit if you want to sit. I have not introduced myself yet. I am Savion. You can call me Steven. I don't mind being called Steven whatsoever. I'm going to be your tour guide for today. If you have any questions about butterflies or Aruba, you can always ask me. I am not a flower guy though. I don't like flowers. I'm not a flower enthusiast. You're asking about flowers, I know red hibiscus and I know white hibiscus. That's what I know. Now, in our garden we have butterflies, we have moths, we have some birds also, and we have some fish. There's different caterpillars belonging to different types of butterflies on these plants. I will show you them later on. What you should know is that in our garden we have about 35 species of butterflies. From the 35 species that we have, it is divided into tropical butterfly and rainforest butterfly. To make it more simple, one likes flower, the other one likes fruit. Hence why we have fruit plus flowers in our garden.
How many species?
35. And in total, around 200 to 250 butterflies in our garden. Now, butterflies like a monarch, for example, monarchs are tropical butterfly. They drink nectar or pollen from flower. That's what they need. The ones that drink from the fruit, you can imagine if you put fruit on the outside in this garden, in this climate, fruit will inevitably rot and then ferment. And we all know what fermented fruit turns into. Wine, that good stuff. So yes, that is the reason why they don't fly straight. You see the butterflies zigzagging. Yeah, they're very, very happy.
All the time, yeah?
Yeah. So if you want to get pictures of very happy butterflies, I'm going to be very honest with you. The blue ones, it's impossible. Best of luck to you. It is very hard. If you want the butterflies to land on you, butterflies like a lot of colors. Your dress, for example, ma'am.
They will like
too,
you.
ma'am. Also, they're going to love the both of you.
That's why I wore it. Okay.
Also, you did your research. A lot of colors. That neon tank top will help, don't worry.
Okay.
So a lot of colors, a lot of sweat. It's not that hard to do in a garden, to be honest. The sweating is very easy. They like perfume, and I am not joking about the fact that butterflies like fermented fruit. So do with that what you want to do. Now we're gonna start off with a very popular caterpillar, very common one all around the road. I am gonna walk around to make sure that everybody is able to see it, alright? So don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
Come on up. The butterflies are gonna love your shoes.
Beautiful. Butterfly flower. Aruba. side, we're making a stop at the Natural Bridge. There's a shot right there. And the tour bus is behind me. And these are lava rocks. I'm having a wonderful day. Y'all, it's $1 to use the bathroom. How about that? And things are very expensive here because everything is imported in. But it's very beautiful here. Next stop is the beach. So I've had a great day so far. In Aruba, at the beach. The ocean is there. And my friend is out there and I just came from it. Yeah, I'm done. So my shoe came off and the waves are kind of strong and tall and I'm vertically challenged. Therefore, I will not be having the wave hit me in the mouth, which it did. And I said, you know, I'm good. I'm about to go sit down on the beach with our towels and just chill out. I don't prove anything to anybody. Today was a good day. It just was. We learned that the beautiful coral is pulled from fish. What does this thing do? Oh, it's trying to listen to me and I don't need to. And so when the salt water hit my mouth, I was like, no, I'm not about to inhale poop water. No, it's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. She would come off. Feeling some type of way about the water being disrespectful. So no, we're gonna sleep good tonight. We're gonna sleep good tonight. Aruba has done its thing. We are only a few degrees from the equator, so year round it's just a nice summer. So it's really beautiful. It's really pretty. We thought the water would be lighter. I don't know if you can see the water, but it's more like a dark coral instead of that light see-through. So hopefully the next beach we go to will have more of a lighter water. But I enjoyed my ocean time. That's enough for me. I hope y'all are doing well back home. I hope nobody's going through anything. And I'm praying for our prayer partners who I miss. But maybe you can text on Monday. But yeah, man. Good times in Aruba. Really having fun. Enjoying myself. Glad I took the vacation and didn't cancel it because so much was going on at work. And I feel bad. And I also know that taking a break and coming back with fresh is just as important. So that's what you gotta do for yourself. Take care of yourself. Then you'll be able to take care of somebody else.